Here are some tips for choosing baby clothes. Look for clothes that are easy to put on and take off. Babies grow quickly and you'll be changing their clothes frequently, so look for clothes with snap closures or stretchy necklines that make it easy to get them on and off. Choose clothes that are comfortable. Babies have sensitive skin, so look for clothes made from soft, breathable fabrics like cotton or bamboo. Avoid clothes with rough seams or tight bands around the legs or arms, as they can be uncomfortable for your baby. Consider the weather. Dress your baby in layers so you can easily adjust their clothing as needed. In colder weather, dress your baby in a onesie, a sleep sack or swaddle, and a warm outfit such as a fleece jumpsuit or snowsuit. In warmer weather, a lightweight onesie or romper and a lightweight swaddle or blanket should be sufficient. Size matters. It's important to choose the right size clothes for your baby. Clothes that are too big can be bulky and hinder your baby's movement, while clothes that are too small can be uncomfortable and restrict your baby's movements. Look for durable clothes. Babies are messy, so look for clothes that can withstand spills, stains, and multiple washings. Don't forget the essentials. In addition to outfits, you'll also need some basic items like onesies, socks, and bibs. Stock up on these essentials so you'll always have them on hand when you need them. Keep your baby's age and stage in mind. As your baby grows and develops, they'll need different types of clothes. For example, newborns will need clothes that are designed to be worn with diapers, while older babies will need clothes with elastic waistbands that can be easily pulled up and down.